Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it without the whole operation of entering the settings and so on. So in order to customize, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here on the kind of third position, we've got eye protection, which is the option we're looking for. This is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you really like to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you. You will be able to protect your eyes. Of course, you can leave it like this, or you can customize it. So let's tap on the eye protection, and as you can see, here we've got three different options. Let's say thanks to which we can customize this mode. And let's start with the switcher. We can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler. I would say it's almost invisible. And by going to the right, warmer. Maybe it's not orangish, but you can really see this yellow tones in the screen. Here you've got also the schedule option. So you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are. I'm not really sure, but probably it is location based. And or you can turn it on at custom time. So after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the start and the end time. So let me start around 12 and end at 6. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns yellowish again. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn it off. And this option is always on, which simply means that you have to manually turn on or off this option. So basically that was the whole customization of this mode, of this feature. So now, as I promised, I can show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, as you can see. And now we just have to find the eye protection icon, which is in my case here. If for some reason you cannot find it in your device, just tap on this edit icon and you will be able to find the eye protection. So basically right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and the same situation if you want to enable this option. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode, eye protection in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.